Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be seeing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll start from the daily time frame analysis. Let us start with the analysis. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, this whole area was acting as a very strong resistance level. When we look at the past price action, you can notice that after the fall from here, it has retraced up to this level, then the downtrend started. So this whole area was acting as a very strong resistance area. Now presently also when we notice a price action, it has taken resistance at this resistance zone, and presently the price action is still continuing its bullish trend. So from the past price action also we know that from this level of 2075, the price action started going on a bearish trend. And when we look at the Fibonacci's retracement level, the current price action is testing the 78.60 level of the Fibonacci's retracement level from the previous fall. So overall when we look at the price action, it is only retracing. It is not making a new high or new lows. It is on a retracement, and the retracement is also very systematic and it is in a very strong bullish trend. You can see that it went on a bullish trend, retracement, again went on a bullish trend, again retracement. Currently also it is on a bullish trend, so we can expect a similar pattern to repeat, which means a retracement. As long as the price action is trading between the 78.60 and 61.80%, we can expect the bullish trend to hold strong. Only when it breaks this 61.80 level, we can expect a further downside retracement. Currently the price action is testing the resistance level of 1990, and if it breaks this resistance area, next level of resistance, which is going to be the 100% retracement from the previous fall, it will be 2075 level. I've also drawn the trend line over here, black color line, you can see it here. It is in a very strong bullish trend. If the bearish trend reversal needs to happen, it has to break this support line, then only we can expect a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame also, this whole zone is still acting as a very strong resistance zone, and you can notice it more clearly. It has tested the 78.60% level from the Fibonacci's retracement level. We can expect a little bit of retracement because this whole area is a resistance zone, and then retry on the bullish side. As long as this trend line or the support line is still holding, we can expect a bullish trend to continue. And when we look at the pattern, previously it has gone up, tested this resistance area, first level of resistance, then retracement happened. So next time when it went, it broke this previous high, then went and tested a new high. So it is very clear that the price action is continuously in a very nice bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So these are all the Fibonacci's extension levels for 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend and trying to break the resistance level of 1909. If it breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 2014, and if it breaks this level, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 2027, which is from the 4 hours time frame Fibonacci's extension level. And only when it breaks this resistance level, then only we can expect it to go and test the next level of resistance from the higher time frame. When we look at the past price action, we had a very strong bullish trend and spike happened here, then a retracement happened. So we can expect a similar price action to be repeated here also. So I am expecting a little bit of retracement to happen, but how much it is going to retrace, that fully depends on the current situation of the war tension. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we can clearly notice that it is trying to break this 78.60 level and it is going on a bullish trend. So next level of resistance is going to be around 2014, which is from the daily time frame, and if it manages to break this level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 2075. Currently gold is in a very strong bullish trend, and even if it retraces, we can expect it to take support on the previous support line or the trend line, and only when it breaks this support line we can expect it to test this next level of support, which is going to be around 1951. But looking at the current situation, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us mark the Fibonacci support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between 38.20 to 50% Fibonacci's retracement level, and it is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When I started this analysis, it was trading within this flag pattern or triangle pattern, and it has given breakout from this triangle pattern, and it is on a retracement now. We can expect it to take support on this support line of this triangle pattern, then to continue its bullish trend. So overall, when we look at the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. But currently the price action looks like it is consolidating within this 78.60 retracement level from the daily time frame. Let us wait and see if the price action tests this next level of resistance, which is going to be around 2014. If the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance area, we can expect a retracement to start, but still we have lots of support levels. It has to break all these support levels in order to have a bearish trend reversal. As long as the war tension continues, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in this currency pair. Even if it retraces, we can expect a bounce back and to start its bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. There will be multiple trends in lower time frames. So currently it is in a bullish trend. We can expect a little bit of retracement, then to continue with bullish trend, or to fall steeply, then to start its bullish trend. So lower time frame trends changes very often. So I recommend you to always follow a higher time frame. Trend lines are the support and resistance levels. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.